My name is Urvashi Sharma and today I am here for business consulting. I am working in media industry from last 5 years and now I am planning to start business of my own. For that I did my research for a good mentor and I came to know about Mr. Opesh Singh. Hence I booked an appointment from his website and now I am here for the personal coaching. So I am excited about this session and to start my new journey as an entrepreneur. थैंक यू सो मच ओपेश जी, मुझे बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छा लग रहा है यहाँ आके क्योंकि मुझे अभी खुद का बिज़नेस शुरू करना है और आई वाज लुकिंग फॉर अ गाइड जो मुझे गाइड कर सके कि मैं अपने बिज़नेस में क्या क्या ऐसा करूँ जिसकी वजह से मुझे सक्सेस मिल पाए.
Nice to know about you, Urvashi.
Thank you.
And I will try my best to help you. Can you tell me about where you are working now?
See, I am working in media sector from last 5 years and I have a good experience. So now I want to be a producer.
Okay, that's good. So you know that this is a competition sector.
Yeah.
And if you want to start your own business in this, you fix some budget and something, how much you are going to invest and how you want to do. You have some idea?
Yes, for the initial event which I am planning, I have fixed a budget of 5 lakh.
Okay.
Yeah.
And you have a team. You know, in this sector, team is the most important thing.
Yeah, I do have my own team.
Okay, they all are experts.
Yeah.
Just make your company, firm, whatever,
Yes.
and make a proper system. And the most important thing in this sector, you must make networking.
Okay.
I think you already have some networks, some contacts regarding this because you have last 5 years lots of
Yeah,
experience.
sure. Yeah, I do have.
And I think you can get work easily.
I don't think so that I can get work easily, but yes, I'm trying my best to get work.
Okay, that's why I tell you make a big network.
Okay.
Always I tell to my all friends, team and clients, there is a slogan 3V. I always tell to people. 3V means big dreams, big network and big money. As I see, you have a big dream. You are going to start your own enterprise, okay? And for us, once you make a big dream, make a target.
Okay.
Small targets, okay? And after that, the most important thing in your sector is networking. Just try to make your network in LinkedIn, social media, and social events. And there is some gathering also, always small events, things are there. You must be do your presence there. In networking, you must be entertaining, you must be presentable, people must be notice you, okay? This is the most important thing. When you are going to networking, mostly you are going to give time, extraordinary time, more than your regular routine.
Yes.
So you must be sacrifice your own personal life also, because some events and some social gathering, some social platforms are different cities you are going to there. You are going to give your presence there, you meet your different peoples. It means you have less time. That's why I tell you make a proper system, make your daily routine, make your checklist and select pupils which can help you, okay?
Yeah. Okay.
And you have any other idea regarding which city and which place you select?
See,
to starting?
Yes, I have confusion in this as well because usually people start their business in big cities, but I'm starting from a very small town.
That also not a big issue. You can start from a small town and even with a small budget. As you says, you have initial budget of 5 lakh. When in this time you are going to start anything, it's need big budget.
Yeah.
It's better you select a small city, start by step, and make a big network and make big contact to reach top peoples, okay?
Yeah.
And as I suggest you, in this sector, most important thing, be entertaining. Because once you meet peoples, they must be know about you, they must be eager to know about you, okay?
Yeah.
Whenever you go, they must notice you. Most important thing, your work must be perfect.
Okay.
Just start it, make your goals, and what is my best suggestion for you? Be committed to your work. Just think in your mind that you are going to be success. Be a positive attitude, whatever condition, that think I am the best, I am the winner. Don't go with negative peoples, okay?
Yeah.
As I read a book every week, I have lots of experience. I know one thing. Just start good habits, reading books,
Yeah.
meeting nice peoples, go to social campaigns, and you can get lots of ideas about how can you grow your business, because your business you can get client by marketing only.
Yes.
When they know about you, they can give you work. It's not a bidding business that easily you can get work, because you are newcomer. If you have lots of experience, there's a different thing. People easily come to your home.
Yes.
But this time you must be go to other people's homes.
Yeah.
So just try your best and start with a good future. Okay.
Thank you so much for this advice. I'll work on it, and I'll ask you if any problems,
Sure, we are available anytime for you, and you can check our website also.
Yeah.
For our upcoming articles. You can read it and you can get lots of good ideas.
Sure. Thank you.
Okay.
Nice to
Thanks
meet
a
you.
lot. Okay.